How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Rahman. My name is Rahman. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Dhaka. I live in Dhaka. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. Are you busy now? Are you busy now? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am watching TV. I am watching TV. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the market. I am going to the market. Did you eat? Did you eat? Yes, I had my lunch. Yes, I had my lunch. What did you eat? What did you eat? I ate rice and fish. I ate rice and fish. Are you free now? Are you free now? Yes, I am free. Yes, I am free. Do you like tea or coffee? Do you like tea or coffee? I like coffee. I like coffee. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. When do you go to bed? When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I love music. Yes, I love music. Can you help me? Can you help me? Sure, what do you need? Sure, what do you need? Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Are you tired? Are you tired? Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. What's the time now? What's the time now? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. What day is it today? What day is it today? It's Monday. It's Monday. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? It's sunny and hot. It's sunny and hot. Where is your friend? Where is your friend? He is at home. He is at home. Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is Hassan. My best friend is Hassan. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? I am thinking about my work. I am thinking about my work. Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay? Yes, I am fine now. Yes, I am fine now. What do you want to do now? What do you want to do now? I want to take some rest. I want to take some rest. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept very well. Yes, I slept very well. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? I am looking for my phone. I am looking for my phone.